Welcome to DNA's Birding Adventures. We're in Florida, near Jacksonville. We're going to start at Spoonbill Pond, see if we can get a few new birds for 2025. A true birder's paradise and hotspot. Spoonbill Pond is a tidal seep pond, so there's tons of wildlife, including birds. It's been a cold and blustery winter in Colorado. We're excited to see some palm trees. We'll start out at Spoonbill Pond, and then in our next video, we'll stop at Huguenot Memorial Park, just east of Jacksonville, our first time there. And here we go. Big Talbot Island State Park. Spoonbill Pond at sunrise. Gotta go across the street, and there's the boardwalk. Here's last year's video from Spoonbill Pond, just a little clip from February 2024. Quite a different experience. Wow. Oh my goodness. You never know what shorebirds and wading birds you'll find in these mudflats that are affected by the tides. It's bright and early. The long-billed dowitchers, and it's really still early. Oh, some great egrets, great blue heron. It's right next to the road. He's gonna follow him. What you got there? Wow, it turns. Oh, it's so beautiful here. Nice. Wow, it's beautiful against the sunrise. Oop. I think those must be yellow legs, willets. Terns are already looking for fish. There's a sedge wren right in there. I can hear it. There's this little pond right here. It's beautiful. Oh. He was just singing away. He never popped his head out. Photo credit from Creative Commons. Here's an overhead view of the area, and early in the morning, it's not great for photography, but it sure is pretty at sunrise. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. There's nesting right here for the terns. This is an important nesting area for some shorebirds like the least terns, killdeer, Wilson's plovers, and more. It's a tern. They're going over to Spoonbill Pond. It's right over on the other side. Laughing gull. Interestingly, the eastern willet is a little bit smaller than our western version that likes to breed on the marshy grasslands north of us, actually not too far, but we see them here in Colorado too. This eastern version breeds all up and down the coast of Florida and along the Gulf of, what do you want to call it, America or Mexico? We found a few of these cannonball jellies, and the leatherback turtles are dependent on them, and they are dependent on the weather or the water temperature for survival. They're sure strange looking. The turtles think that plastic bags are jellyfish, so pick it up. Found this plastic at the beach. Must dispose of, so the sea turtles don't think it's a jellyfish. There's a whole bunch of shorebirds right along the coast, the beach. There's like a lot of laughing gulls. Peeps. So early in the morning, hard to identify, probably the Bonapartes, Franklins, and the laughing gulls in the mix. And the early bird gets the crab or crustacean.
Franklin's gulls.
Oh yeah. There's a Boneyard Beach right over there. All the trees look like driftwood. I think those are all little sanderlings running. Oh. They're tiny. In amongst all those, are those Franklin gulls or laughing gulls? Laughing gulls. Okay. Those mergansers are taking advantage of that gray egrets, stirring it up. They're reddish? Tricolored? Huh. Huh. Maybe a Dunlin? It's getting pretty busy out there at Spoonbill Pond. Show off time. Look at me. Oh, okay. Huh. American white pelicans. You can see them. Huh. Egret. The snowy egret. Oysters on the half shell. Yum. I love the plumage of the snowy egrets, and then they have those little bright yellow feet to distinguish them from other egrets. They are found in North and South America. Hunting. White ibis, some immature. American avocet right there. Where are the terns? Fishing. Huh. Ironically, we always find tons of birds right when we get back to the parking lot after hiking miles and miles. We're racking them up slowly, the eastern phoebe number 110, and then we got a glimpse of a beautiful northern parula. Quite photogenic for Dave. What a cutie. We've seen the northern parula in Texas, and they pretty much are in the eastern part of the United States. Their range cuts the country in half. Glad to see one here, and he was quite photogenic.
Slow down.
pretty. They're basically the same bird as our black-capped chickadee, but they're out east, the Carolina chickadee. Is that Carolina chickadee? You think he's yelling at me. It's hard to follow him. There he is. Those are all the fish crows. Quite different call than the American crows. My red-bellied woodpecker, beautiful. Not too shabby. We got 41 different bird species at Spoonbill Pond. Now for the motel and some other areas that we were at in Jacksonville, Florida. We are at our motel in Grenadina Beach, and there's some black ducks. Already got the black vulture, mourning dove. And this morning I heard a cardinal. There's a retention pond right behind our property, our place. Probably some alligators. We're pretty sure that's an American black duck. And then the other, I'm not sure, female mallard or maybe a mottled. This is quite the controversy. Let us know if we have our lifer, the American black duck. Thank you. Also in the parking lot, some black vultures. They're starting to roost already. It's about 7:30 in the morning. It's busy. It's our rental car. Two palm warblers. Oh, a whole bunch of them. More palm warblers. We figured out that they are actually passing through. They winter in Florida and the Caribbean, and then they head up in the boreal forests and bogs to nest. They're getting ready to head north. Oh, and chipping sparrows. So chipping sparrow getting warm in the sun, and oh, the blue-gray gnatcatcher. blue-gray gnatcatcher. It's hard to follow. A rear end shot, but we'll take it. Bird number 119. Oh, that's a shrike loggerhead. Cardinal calling, and there's a flicker. Fish crows and a red-bellied woodpecker. A donkey. There's a bobwhite calling. Yeah. Oh. Oh yeah, there's a pair. Their songs are so versatile and mocking. Yeah, you should go grab it. There's the eastern bluebird. Yellow rump warblers everywhere. They're really loud, getting their summer colors. Where's that yellow rump? There, I saw it flash. Northern cardinal, beautiful. That mockingbird. There's a blue jay. And there's an eastern pewee blue jay. And amongst the coon ties, what's he after? These azaleas are everywhere right now. I thought they were bougainvilleas. Oh, there's a whole flock of white ibises. And an couple immature. Look at that. Huh, About 10 or 12 over in that field. Here comes another one. Huh. Joining the group. Killed him. Nice to be getting some new birds for 2025, quite a few in the Jacksonville area. Stay tuned for our next video from Florida, Huguenot Memorial Park. We'll check out some boardwalks, shorebirds, add some new birds. Royal terns, gulls, brown pelican, pack. Thank you so much for watching DNA's Birding Adventures and subscribing to our channel. Much appreciated. Until Huguenot Memorial Park. We'll see you next time. Happy trails to you.